Victor Little here, taking you from someone who knows very little about Sandspears and not sure if you can install a successful system, to having a successful Sandspear installation and free water for life, ensuring that you have drought proofed your property and never have to worry about water again. Through my SIS system and information that I have put together for you, which is transferable and a proven system that has allowed hundreds of people like yourself to successfully install a Sandspears system. And I've never had a failure yet. They've been installed in backyards, beaches and farms. Plus I guarantee them so that you don't have to take the risk. I do. The information that you need, click on the link below and sign up, and you'll be taken to the VIP page where I have put all the information, all the links, all the videos that you'll need to create a successful system.